Happy morning to everyone. Hi, this is Mamta Malleja. I am practicing as a life coach. Today, my topic is on five things that we should improve daily. First is our purpose. We should have some purpose in our life. We should work on our purpose. Whatever we are doing in our life, we should have that purpose in our life. We should have that goal in our life. Whenever you wake up in the morning, you should know your purpose. You should know your purpose in life, what you are going to do with your life. You should know uh, your own values, your inner self. When you know your purpose in life, you can able to take step forward to your goals in our life. Have some purpose in life, work on your purpose, have something that you want to work on each and every day to improve yourself in your life. Have that energy within your life. Start your day with higher energy level. Have some purpose, have work on that purpose each and every day, eh, by taking small steps. So have have your purpose in life and work on each and every day. Next is self confidence. What is self confidence? Self confidence has come from the good we feel about ourselves. When we feel good about ourselves, we get that confident within ourselves. How we can develop that self confidence? By not neglecting the small disciplines we follow in life. If you want wake up early, wake up early. If you want work on yourself, work on yourself. Work on health, work on relationship, work on wealth. Every day take some time to work yourself on each work yourself. So start practice that small disciplines in your life. Have some rituals that you will start your day with. Some rituals, have some steps that you should um, follow each and every day in life. When you have time, schedule that time. I will do this task each and every day in your life, and do that task in that time. It will become an habit, and you will do that task each and every day in that time. It will become your habit. So start working on your self confidence by doing a small disciplines each and every day, and commit yourself that I will follow this disciplines each and every day. Next is enthusiasm. When you have that energy within you, when you have that power within you, when you have that strong feeling that I will give my best. So whatever you do with your best. Do with your best, and do your job. Whatever you do with your best, and give yourself 100%. So start working on your best level. Start working on yourself. So give 100 percentage to yourself of doing anything in your life. Give that whatever you do with 100% of concentration, and do give your best for that work. So that will help you to find the difference in your life. Next is expertise. Whatever we have with ourselves, we have some expert skills in ourselves. Recognize that some expert skills within you, and work on that expert skills each and every day, so that you will can see the change within you, and you can see the change within surrounded by others. So start working on what you expert at, and start working on yourself each and every day. Next is preparation. We should prepare for the day. We should prepare before your previous day what we are going to do today. Prepare your schedule, prepare yourself, prepare that. If you prepare every day within yourself, that preparation goes for a month, that preparation goes for a week. So start preparing yourself. When you prepare yourself, you can grab your opportunity that comes in. So start preparing yourself, and each and every day towards your success, towards your goals, towards your dreams. Start preparing yourself that you will give your best each and every day. Start scheduling, start working on yourself, start preparing each and every day to live your life with what you want in life. So start, have some ambitions, have some goals that I will work on these things each and every day towards my life. So prepare each and every day, prepare before the day. If you want to give a speech, if you want to deliver yourself something, prepare yourself. If you want to look best, prepare yourself previously. If you want to know yourself, prepare yourself. Everything it's about preparation. If we prepare the best, we deliver the best. So start preparing yourself in the morning or before a day, what you are going to do in a day, and see yourself where you are standing for the day, and observe yourself what you are doing for the whole day. It will help you to move forward what you want in life. So so guys, have something that you are looking forward each and every day. Prepare yourself, plan yourself, work on yourself. have some have some energy within you that help you to work on yourself each and every day. Have some rituals, have some disciplines, have commit yourself that I am going to work on each and every day towards my improvement in my life. It's all my life. So start working on yourself. Take that 100% responsibility. Take that you are in charge of your life, you are in control of your life. It is your life, you are going to give the best to the world. So if you change a simple, if you make a small changes within yourself and you can help others in changing them, you can able to change the whole world. It's all start from you. Start yourself, start working on yourself each and every day. Nobody can push you towards your goals, your dreams, or what you want to do in your life. You have to push yourself, you have to move yourself, you have to commit yourself, you have to work yourself. So start working on that each and every day towards your growth, and you will really see the changes within you. Now, so if you want to see the changes, you have to work yourself, you have to take step. We are the one person to take step for ourselves. So work on yourself, give yourself 100%. Take one small thing in the morning and do it. Commit yourself that I'll finish this one small thing each and every day towards my goals, towards myself. So start working small steps each and every day, and follow some rituals and disciplines in your life that will change your life in your, and you will see that change will change your life. So in our life we have choices, we can take the best decisions. We have that power, we have that inner power. See that inner power within you. Everyone has that inner power. Work on that inner power each and every day so that you can achieve what you want in life. So guys, start your morning with high energy, high follow some small rituals, and do one thing today what you are going to love, and what you are going to feel, feel yourself that I have done something for today. So bye, thank you.